Hello everyone, my name is Baby Coda, and in this video, I'm excited to talk about a fascinating project called Biometric Authentication for Enhanced Cybersecurity. In today's digital age, cybersecurity threats are increasing day by day, and traditional security methods such as passwords and PINs are no longer secure enough. That's why the use of biometric authentication is becoming increasingly popular. The Biometric Authentication for Enhanced Cybersecurity project aims to enhance the security of online transactions and data by using biometric authentication techniques such as fingerprint, facial recognition, and iris scanning. Biometric authentication is more secure than traditional methods because it uses unique physical characteristics that cannot be replicated or stolen. This means that only authorized individuals can access the information, making it more difficult for cybercriminals to hack into systems. Moreover, the project also includes developing algorithms that can identify and prevent fake biometric data. This is essential in ensuring the accuracy and reliability of biometric authentication systems. The Biometric Authentication for Enhanced Cybersecurity project is a promising solution for the increasing cybersecurity threats we face today. It is a step towards a more secure and reliable online environment. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn more about this project, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates.